14 hidden car tricks mechanics don't want you to know. Save money and, well, stay safe. 9 out of 10 drivers have no idea these hidden features even exist in their cars. Yet, one of these buttons could literally save you thousands in repairs, or prevent you from getting stranded on a dark highway. And the wild part? Most people completely ignore these secret functions. Before you spend another dime or risk frustration, let's uncover 14 hidden car tricks that make driving safer, cheaper, and honestly, smarter. Stick around to the end. You might be amazed at what your car can do. Also, if you want to actually drive smarter, hit that subscribe button now. Your future self will thank you. Secret number 14, the hidden keyhole and backup key in your fob. So just imagine this for a moment. Your car key fob dies and you're suddenly locked out. Panic really starts to set in, doesn't it? Most drivers, rely entirely on electronics these days, but here's the thing. Almost every modern fob actually has a mechanical backup key tucked inside. There's usually a small latch on the side. Just slide or press it and the key pops right out. Many cars, interestingly enough, hide the keyhole behind a tiny plastic cover on the door handle. Using this little feature could honestly save you a $200 locksmith call, yet so many drivers go years without ever noticing it. It's not just a backup, it's a clever design to prevent frustration and, those really expensive emergencies. Secret number 13, the traction control button. That button with a car and, well, those squiggly lines is your winter lifesaver, yet most drivers just ignore it. Traction control prevents wheel spin on slippery roads by adjusting engine power and braking. But here's the kicker. Sometimes it's actually better to turn it off. If you're stuck in snow or mud, traction control can actually hinder wheel spin, keeping you trapped. A quick press disables it temporarily, allowing you to power through obstacles. Knowing when to toggle this button is honestly the difference between looking like a pro and spinning helplessly while everyone else just passes you by. Secret number 12. Turn off lane departure warnings permanently. Lane departure warnings can be, well, annoyingly sensitive. The secret is, there's usually a hidden button, often showing a car between two dotted lines, to permanently reduce or disable the alerts. If you press and hold it, the system stops nagging. This allows you to drive normally without constant robotic reminders while still keeping safety in mind. Secret number 11, the recirculation button is more than just AC. Ever get stuck behind a smoky truck or, farm dust? That circular arrow button on your dash isn't just for air recirculation. Pressing it seals the cabin, stopping outside pollutants and, well, improving AC performance. It can actually boost cooling efficiency by 20% and even prolong your cabin filter's life. Many drivers think it's optional, but regular use keeps your air cleaner, your AC less stressed, and honestly, your lungs happy. Secret number 10, the steering wheel adjustment lever. Many drivers suffer through uncomfortable driving positions, unaware of a small lever beneath the steering wheel. Just pull it to tilt, or extend the wheel closer or farther, which, really improves comfort and control. Getting the position right aligns the airbags, reduces fatigue, and gives you better visibility of the dashboard. It's simple, but interestingly, surveys show that 40% of drivers never actually adjust their wheel. Taking just a few seconds to adjust can save your arms, neck, and concentration, especially on those long drives. Secret number 9, the extendable sun visor. Sun glare during sunrise or sunset isn't just annoying, it's actually dangerous. Many cars have a hidden sliding panel in the sun visor. Just pull it out to block sunlight from the side. Car designers included this because, well, traditional visors often leave gaps, and yet most owners never use it. A small adjustment dramatically reduces glare, letting you focus fully on the road. Secret number 8, hazard light double tap. Most drivers only use hazard lights for emergencies, but Many modern vehicles have a hidden feature. Press and hold the hazard button to enter emergency mode. Or, double tap for a slow attention-grabbing flash that's ideal for fog or roadside stops. Some luxury brands even allow maximum brightness flashing to make your car a visible beacon. A button most people think is simple actually prevents accidents when used correctly. Secret number 7. Arrow shows fuel cap location. Tired of guessing which side the fuel cap is on in an unfamiliar car? The answer is right in front of you, next to the fuel icon on your dash. A small arrow points left or right. It's a tiny feature, but it saves time, avoids awkward gas station moments, and prevents scratches or spills. Secret number 6. Fuel cap holder inside gas door. Most gas doors hide a small notch or hook meant to hold the fuel cap while pumping. Ignoring it risks scratches, dirt entering your fuel system, and even clogged fuel injectors, repairs that can cost thousands. Yet 95% of drivers don't use it. This tiny feature prevents damage and keeps refueling quick and safe. Secret number 5. Open windows with your remote stuck in a blazing hot car. So, holding the unlock button on many key fobs will roll all the windows down automatically. Some cars might require a double press or, a quick settings activation. This feature lets heat escape before you step inside, which really helps reduce those extreme cabin temperatures. It's free, effortless, and honestly, potentially life-saving, especially during the summer months. Secret number 4 is the shift lock override for, a dead battery. A dead battery can leave you unable to move an automatic car, which can be a real headache. Hidden under a plastic cover near your shifter is the emergency shift lock release. If you press it with a small tool, you can actually move your car even with zero power. This mechanical feature prevents traffic jams and dangerous roadside situations, yet, most owners never know it even exists. Secret number 3. The mirror tab stops for night glare. Headlights from cars behind can be, really blinding at night. Your rearview mirror likely has a small tab that adjusts reflection, scattering glare without obstructing your view. The mirror has 2 reflective surfaces and flipping the tab switches between day and night modes. Simple, decades-old technology, yet still unknown to many drivers. Secret number 2. Dashboard warns about icy roads. That snowflake icon isn't decorative. So it's a real-time icy road alert, activated by sensors that are measuring both temperature and humidity. And, some cars even share this information with nearby vehicles. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there are 156,000 crashes per year that are ice-related, many of which are actually avoidable with better awareness. Pay attention, because your car is honestly smarter than you might think. Secret number 1. Glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle. Finally, here's the feature that could genuinely save a life. A glow-in-the-dark trunk handle. Required by US law since 2002, it allows anyone trapped inside to escape. The glow lasts up to 8 hours in darkness, ensuring visibility in panic situations. Many owners never check it, yet it's one of the simplest, most critical safety tools built into your car. Bonus insight: secret compartments and speed-sensitive audio. Many cars hide storage under seats or in the floor, ideal for tools or valuables. Additionally, speed-sensitive volume control adjusts audio automatically based on road noise, keeping your environment calm and safe. These subtle features are designed to improve your daily driving comfort without you even realizing it. Knowing these 14 tricks transforms how you interact with your car. They save money, prevent accidents, and improve comfort, all with tools and buttons already in your vehicle. How many did you already know? Drop a comment with the one that shocked you the most. If this guide just prevented a potential repair, boosted your safety, or made you see your car differently, click subscribe and share this with someone who needs to know. Your wallet, your safety, and your driving experience will thank you.